Right, hey people, back again. I've done a little bit more since the last time. I've took the back axle out, disconnected the prop shaft, disconnected all the brakes, and I've cut the back out, which is there. But as you can probably see, there's a few holes. I took the diesel tank out, thinking there's going to be a little hole. There wasn't a little hole, there was quite a big hole. Yes. So, my debate was, do I cut it off and just put a new frame in? And I thought, well no, because this is just for off-road and it's never going to go back on the road. So, I'm going to cut it all out. Well, not all of it out, I'm just going to plate it all up, an extra strength, put loads of strength into it. But yeah, this is off one side. I'm going to show you this pile now, just off one side. Let's see if we can get the grade of the lump. Look at that. That's a bit of a pile. So I'm going to keep on chopping. I'm going to wait for my GoPro to start because my GoPro is dead again. One of them. I'm going to get these templates made while they're up. Happy days.